Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve connection on Facebook app. To know how to fix or how to solve connection on Facebook app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of Facebook and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to first app and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end of all these steps, you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.